Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy little hack. So if you ever have a design like this, like my little penguin, where it's using multiple different colours of vinyl and will be wanting to cut it out onto separate mats, how you can move the vinyl so it will all cut out onto one mat. For this example, I'm using this cute little penguin and we're just going to click on Make It. And we're going to click on the mat and continue. So as we can see from here, we've got a white mat, a black one, an orange one and a red one. But if we click on each of the mats, there isn't a lot of pieces for each colour. Adding vinyl onto mats and loading them and unloading them into the machine can take quite a bit of time. Here we've got the white mat and it's going to cut out part of the penguin and the top of the walking stick, but we've also got a lot of extra space. So if we click on the black one, we've obviously got the penguin. If we click on the circle with the three little dots in, we can see it says move object or hide selected. So we're going to click on move object. Now it's going to bring us up the mats. So it's going to bring the white one, the black one says current because that's the one we're using, there's the orange one and the red one. If we was to click on the white one, it's popped a tick on, and we click on confirm, we are now on the white mat and we can see there is our penguin, and we can just slide that over into the right hand corner, and we now know that this bit needs to be white and this part needs to be black. So we can pop in some black vinyl onto that corner and that will cut out for the penguin. If we go back onto the mat, we can see here is his little eyes, and again we can do the same and we can click move object, select the white mat and click confirm, and there appears his eyes. So they are now also going to get cut out on our white mat. We can now click on the orange mat, and as we can see here we've got his beak and feet. Again, if we click on the circle with the dots in, we can move object, select the white mat and click confirm, and here it's placed it. So we can just move that one down to the bottom left corner, and there we can just pop our orange vinyl. It is showing now that Cricut now thinks they're all going to be cut out in white, but we know they're not, so we can put the corresponding coloured vinyl into the appropriate places. And then finally, if we click on the red one, we're left with a little red bow. We can do the same and click move object. We can again select the white mat and click confirm, and we can move the little bow down to bottom right hand corner. And doing it this way, our penguin is going to cut out all on the same mat, and that's going to save us using 4 separate mats to cut out the vinyl to make the little penguin design. It's a great saving little tip, and it saves lots of time because you know that once you've put on the vinyl, as long as you've got the right colour vinyl in the right place, you can just pop it in your machine, start it cutting and leave it, and once it's done, your whole design is cut out in one go without having to stand there keep swapping vinyl and swapping mat. I really hope you enjoyed my time saving little tip, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye for now.